I really think that that looks really good. Before I move on, I wanted to talk a little bit about negative painting here. Um, it's really one of the ways negative painting is a great way for us to um, show some of the edges of the feathers. So let's maybe let's try right here. And you can do this also when it's dry, which would probably work a little bit better. I hope you can see if I come back in and add some dark along the edges of these feathers, it can bring back a little bit of a feathery shape to them. And it works really, really quickly and can add a lot of detail. So I hope that that just gives you a tip on a technique that you might use there. I think that I'll go ahead and just real quickly do some grays and yellow ochre, burnt sienna, just on this little part of her, the top of her leg. I did want to point out during that last fast forward that we just did, when I moved to this area, I did move to a larger um, filbert brush. I think that use the largest brush that you can. Use the largest brush you're comfortable with, because that will help you to stay pretty loose. And um, I found myself as I was painting, not just this area, but even this waterfall tail that she has, um, that as you start to paint in the shapes, your eye kind of starts to pick out some feathers that your brush strokes just made. So be watching for those things as you're painting, and let those things happen. Really use your artist's eye and allow yourself to see some of those feather shapes.